Hey there! In this video, we will demonstrate how to schedule reports to run on a regular basis in PBX Stats. Here, you will learn which reports can run periodically, how to schedule a new one, and which other actions are available for scheduled reports. On the Scheduled Reports page in Configuration, you can view all the reports set for running at regular intervals and schedule new ones. The reports you can schedule are Stats by Queue, Stats by Agent, and CDRs. Scheduled reports are based on templates, so first of all, make sure you prepare a template to use. For instructions on creating report templates, click on the link. Now you can create a new scheduled report. Click Schedule a New Report and fill in the fields in the pop-up window. Enter the name for the report, select a template from the drop-down list, and specify how often and what time you wish the report to be sent. Optionally, add other PBX Stats users and external emails to receive the report. Finally, you can create a password that you'll have to enter to view the report. It's also optional. Then click Save. The report will be sent to your email at the scheduled time. You can also edit existing scheduled reports and delete them. That's it. Thanks for watching.